A little bit about the AROHA Choir. We are representative of the Northeast, and we're a little microcosm really of India, because in this choir we have a Thankul girl. In fact, we have two Thankuls. Jane? She is the daughter of Dr. Ngachand, who works in the ICAR. And then we have Mizo. We have people from Mizoram. Can you put your hands up? Yes. And then we have somebody who is part Khasi, part Lotha, and part, what was it? An Angami. So where are you? And then we have somebody who's half Punjabi and half Goan, and I don't think it'll take much guessing for that. Put your hand up, Denise. Then we have somebody whose mother is Khasi and father is Punjabi. I don't think you can guess, but here he is. And then I think we're all Khasi and Jaintia. Can we put up our hands for Jaintia? Yeah. So there we are. And you know, we have in the senior choir, we have Garos, we have Angamis, we have Aos, and we have people from Churachandpur, and you know, so we're very inclusive. And the song that you just heard was a song that I'd written from what Jesus said, "Let the children come unto me." And I feel that there is a great need for us to nurture our children in the faith. So here we are, non-Khasis singing Sha Eki Kinna, and Jesus has broken all language barriers in that song.
it, but if